Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy chocolate muffins made with Jaggery. It's eggless, refined sugar free and made with just 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. You can see how soft these healthy muffins are. And the best part is it is guilt free and can be enjoyed by the whole family. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 4 bananas which weighs around 400 grams. Now the banana I'm using is small. It's a local variety banana which is smaller. But if you're using large bananas, you may need only 3 bananas. Also make sure you are using ripe bananas with black spots as they ensures that the bananas are sweet. Now let's get ready the dry ingredients. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1.5 cups whole wheat flour. The cup I'm using is 250 ml and all the buying links of the ingredients I'm using are updated below this video. Add in 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Add in half teaspoon baking soda. Now when you're using baking soda, make sure you use good quality baking soda. Add in half teaspoon freshly ground cinnamon powder. And now with a spatula, mix up the dry ingredients and keep this aside. Now into my blender jar, I'm adding in the ripe bananas. Add in 1/4 cup tightly packed jaggery powder. Other options are coconut sugar, brown sugar or even maple syrup. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons virgin coconut oil. Instead of coconut oil, you can use any unrefined oil of your choice. Virgin coconut oil has a very neutral flavor, so you will not feel that coconutty flavor in your muffins. Add in 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, also known as flaxmeal, and 4 tablespoons water. Add in half cup thick homemade curd. Now blend all this really well and pour the blended banana mix into the dry ingredients. And with a spatula, fold the ingredients into the batter. If the batter is thick, you can add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and again fold and blend. Lastly, add in half cup roughly chopped dark chocolate. The dark chocolate I'm using has 0 sugar, but it has an amazing flavor of natural cocoa. The buying links is updated in the description box below. You can also check my Amazon store link to know more about the ingredients I use in my recipes. All the links including the ingredients list are updated below this video, so please do check it out. Once the chocolate is mixed, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a muffin tray with virgin coconut oil. What I do is I use a paper napkin to grease the pan with virgin coconut oil. Add in 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of batter and lastly sprinkle some more dark chocolate over it for some added chocolate flavor and bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Note that oven temperature varies with oven, so keep an eye on it after 20 minutes. My oven took 25 minutes to get the muffins baked. Once the muffins are baked, allow it to cool down a little, say about 10 minutes or so, and then you can serve the healthy chocolate chunk muffins. See how soft the muffins are, totally guilt-free and can be enjoyed by the whole family. No refined sugar and just 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yet so tasty. Kids will enjoy this chocolate chunk healthy muffins. So do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.